This is a 2-minute clip of great tits or blue tits coming and taking sunflower seeds from the feeder. It's been speeded up 8 times. This is the reverse procedure. In this particular sequence, I've taken the first 20 seconds and slowed it down, so it comes out about 1 minute 24. So you can just see how rapidly the wings are beating. And these are great tits, or perhaps cold tits or blue tits, a mixture. And they're feeding on sunflower seeds in this feeder. And it's strange that they don't stay here at the feeder to eat the sunflower seeds. They pick one and then they fly off. And they go up into the trees and eat the seeds there. I don't know if it's some protection mechanism, but it's absolutely astounding how fast their wings beat. Sometimes they're almost hovering in place. This is a recording I made before the snow came. And these birds are very, very shy. But it's a rare thing that you can even capture them. They're bull-finches, and they're sitting on the crabapple tree. And there's a male, which is the bright red breast, and the female, which is more dowdy grey colour. And I've seen them in pairs quite often, and they seem to keep to themselves. They're not very social birds. They don't mingle with others, but they seem to like these red berries or red small apples on this decorative apple tree. And I think this is quite a rare footage, at least for me, to be able to capture them. The zoom is about 18 on my camera, so it's very grainy with the recording. Not all that good. There it goes. And that's a female left to look after the home, as the females usually are.